So guys, today, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, just watch the video and then see if you like it, and then keep watching. And then if you want, you can even subscribe and drop a like. And for right now, today we're gonna be unboxing ring. It's a So guys, if you guys are new to my channel, just keep watching my videos, see if you like them. If you want, you can even drop a subscribe and like and hit the bell notification so you always get updated on my new videos. And right now we will be unboxing the ring. It's like a doorbell on your front door, but it has like a camera on it. So if somebody's gonna like press, this is the doorbell. So if somebody's gonna press it, you can see who it is, and you can just connect it to your phone anytime. We're gonna be unboxing this and put it on our front doorbell, and yeah, we'll unbox this. And yeah, I'll show you what's inside. So, that was so satisfying. Okay, so first thing, I have to do a flip, and then I think I have to like do this. How do you flip this? It says always at home. I'll open that later. What's this? Oh, this is where you connect it to your phone, or you can video it, I think. Oh, this is how you screw it on your front door. And here's what it looks like. And now, time. Wait, close your eyes. Dun, 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 that's the camera. Look, this is the doorbell. I'm pressing it right now. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, and here's the camera right here, just connected to your phone. Oh, this is the peeling thing, if you want to peel this off to make it clear, but get on that to later. What is this? Oh, this is the charger, I think. Wait. Yeah, I think you charge it. It's orange or brown. I wonder what this is. Oh, I think this is for the thing. Yeah, like this. It's for the button. I really don't want to drop it. Let's do this. Oh, these are the screws to put it on. More screws. I'm really curious. That's what I'm just looking at. Oh! Okay, I'll show you that later. What is this? Oh, there's so much screws. Blue thingy. Wait. Oh, I see what that is. I'll do that later. What's this? Oh, I think you connect this to this, and then whoever's talking, you can hear it through here, but you have to plug it. I think that's what that is. Are you sure? Well, I want to open this. I'm kind of curious. Too curious. I want to open it. There's no, I think this is a screw again. Yeah, it's a screwdriver. I'm going to be on just some screwdriver. Ooh, oh, these are the materials you need to put it on. Oh, there's one more thing. Oh, here it is. Wait, let me get it out. No. Oh, wait. So, what you do is this is just for there, and then this is for this. So if you want, you can just put it on, and then it has like a covering for it. Yeah, that's all I have to kind of box. So I'll just assemble this and then put it in my front door, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Before I forget, don't forget to shout out your name in the comments. Then I'll just shout it out in the next video or this video. And don't forget to keep your mask on when you're gonna go somewhere, and keep safe. And yeah.